Hi, good day. This is Melissa Moodley from the Golf Resorts Club. Today I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make a booking online. So you're going to log into the www.golfresortsclub.com website, and you would use your email address and your password to actually log in. Once you're logged in, you'll actually be on a home page and you will see the welcome with your membership number. You'll be able to view your profile, look at your past bookings, your future bookings, view your documents and your account. So this is your home page, and once you're here, on the same page you would see book, where do you want to go? And there is where you can type in the resort that you would like to go to or the area that you would like to go to. So we're going to choose a resort, and that is going to be Zimbali, and you do see that it does auto-populate for you, and you click search. And there you go. You see your availability comes up. It does give you the options of the debenture with the levy, or it gives you the cash amount for the accommodation. So you're going to select a unit. As you see, there you go. What is available for the month of October. And if you don't want to do October, you can then fine tune your search into a different month. I'm just going to choose February 2021, and I am going to view availability. There you go. Your availability has come up. There's your 3-night option, and then you have your 4-night option and your 7-night option. So your 3-night option is your quick getaway for a 3-night option that's over a weekend, which is Friday afternoon to Monday morning. And then you've got your midweek, which is slightly longer, which will then be Monday afternoon to Friday morning. And then your 7-night stay, which is Friday to Friday. So we're going to select a full week, which is then going to be from Friday the 5th of February to Friday the 12th of February. As you scroll down on this page, as you see, I've selected the date, I've scrolled down, and then the various options come up. So it's your villa details, which is going to be a 4-bedroom villa, a 3-bed superior villa, and so forth. I'm going to actually choose the 4-bedroom villa. And there's 2 options on the villa. It's on the debenture option or on a cash bonus break, depending on what you would like. I'm going to choose the debenture option, and I'm going to add this to my cart. So I'm selecting the number of villas that I would like. So I'm only going to do 1 villa, which is going to sleep a maximum of 8 people, which is 4 private bedrooms. You can skip this process because Zimbali does not offer any of the add-ons. So we're going to skip, and we're going to add to cart. And there you go. This has been added to your cart. So it's Zimbali, the 5th to the 12th of February 2021. And it's the 4-bedroom villa for 25 debentures. I'm going to view this in my cart. Once it's in your cart, you view it in your cart, and then you can proceed to booking from there. So there you go. This is in my cart. I can change if I want to. I can remove. I can choose to select another resort or another date. Or from here, as you see, this is your last screen that you would go to, where it tells you the holiday is going to cost you 25 debentures. And if you have enough of your debentures, then you just click on proceed to checkout, and that would be your last screen, where it will just say book accommodation, and it's done. If you do not have enough debentures, then you can go back, you can change the option to take it on a cash bonus break, and exactly the same process. So there you go. This is how easy it is to make a booking online, and we look forward to booking your next holiday.